Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about something I know that you've already been talking about this year with your teacher, and we're going to be talking about some equivalents. So let's do some comparing with these. I'm going to add these dots here on the end. So what do you notice about these? Yes, that is correct. Both of them have 2 dots, and that's a really good way to show that this one is equal to. Now, let's put some dots on this one. Now, what do you notice? That is correct. There are 2 dots on this side and 1 on this one. So we always read left to right, just like we do in reading. And we're noticing that these 2 dots are greater than the 1 dot. So that is correct. It is greater than. Let's add some dots to this one. As I'm adding these dots, tell me what you're noticing. Remember, we always read left to right. That is correct. This one is less than. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to build some numbers using our 10 frame. So I'm going to write some numbers down here. Can you tell me what number that is? You are correct. That is the number 13. Okay, so can we build 13 with, let's see, we're making 13. So can you tell me how many I will have in this 10 frame? You are correct. We're going to fill up all of this 10 frame. So for 13 we have 10 and how many more? You are correct. We have 10 and 3 more. Okay, now we are going to build another number. Can you guess which number I'm going to write? Number 16. Very good. Now, how many are we going to have in the first 10 frame? Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's the number 16, so I already have 10. How many more do I need? You are right, we need 6 more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now we're going to compare these numbers. So we're always going to read left to right. So the number 13 is on the left, so I'm going to have to read that one. Let's see, is the number 13, is that equal to 16? No, it is not equal. Is the number 13 greater than 16? No, it's not, because there are less ones in the 10 frame, right? Is 13 less than 16? That is correct. Very good. Okay, now we're back, and we are going to compare some numbers again, but this time we're going to use some base 10 blocks. So I'm going to go with a little bit bigger numbers. So before we had the number 13, And this does use the digits 3 and 1, the same digits, but how is this one different? That's right, we always read left to right. That is the number 31. Very good. Now we're going to build 31 with our base 10 blocks. So is that 1? No, let's see. That is 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So we can count by tens when we use these. So 10, 20, 30. Oh, what would happen if we put another one of these? Oh, that's too many, isn't it? That would be 40. So 10, 20, 30, 1. Very good. Now, we're going to use another number. Can you guess which number I'm going to write? That is correct. Number 27. Let's see if we can build 27. Count with me. 10, 20. We're going to get tens or ones next. That is correct. I've got to go with ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Great job. So let's look at these numbers and compare them. What do you notice? That is right. 31 has more tens. And what else do you notice? 27 has more ones than 31 here in the ones place. So we're going to read left to right. Which number do you think is greater than? "31 is greater than 27. That is correct. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to look at some numbers on a number line. And we're going to start this number line at 0. And we're going to go to 100. Because we can start a number line any number. Numbers go on forever in each direction. But let's see, where would the number 51 go on this number line? You are correct. 50 would go right in the middle because it's halfway there. So 51 is just past it. So I'm going to write 51. Very good. Now, where would the number 20 go? Is it closer to this side, closer to 0, or to 100? You are correct. It's right about here. So let's see. I have the number 20. And I have the number 51. So I'm going to compare these two numbers. So what do you notice about them on the number line? If I'm counting starting from 0, which number am I going to come to first? You are correct. I'm going to come to 20. And then what number would come after that? 51 is going to come next, right? All the way up to 100. I can count in lots of different ways, can't I? I can count by ones, I can count by tens, I can count by fives, by twos, lots of different ways to count. But today, I just want to compare the numbers 20 and 51. So what do I know about 20 and 51? Because it comes first on the number line, 20 is less than 51. Great job.